Hello everybody. Today we're going to see the unboxing of Boditech ichroma Troponin I test kit. You can see this here. It's ichroma Troponin I, TNI. So it says ichroma Troponin I is a fluorescent immunoassay FIA for the quantitative determination of cardiac troponin I in human serum plasma. It is useful as an aid in management and monitoring of acute myocardial infarction. Okay, you can see this box contains 25 cartridges, 1 ID chip, 1 IFE brochure, 25 sample mixing tubes, 1 reduction buffer. The reduction buffer is a temperature stored. You can see this is a CE certified product and lot number and the expiry date you can see here. This is the separate buffer solution which is to be maintained in a cold temperature. Okay, I can just show you around. This is the buffer. You see this. I'll just give it a nice gel pack near the gel pack. You can see this here. I'll open this for you. Inside you can see there is an IFE brochure. You see this brochure. I'll just take this. You can see this here, ichroma Troponin I. The intended use is given. So you have an IFE brochure which gives you the complete details about the principle and also the components inside and warning instructions and how to prepare your samples, how to conduct your test, how to interpret your results. You have the complete details, the quality control part. So you have the complete details to complete your test procedure actually. So you get an IFU along with that, and inside you can see there is a 25 numbers of sample mixing tubes. You can see this here, sample mixing tubes. And then you have 25 cartridges here. I'll put through here. You can see this. You can see ichroma Troponin I. You got the lot number here and also the expiry date, certification. The other side shows certification body. And also you have an ID chip inside the box. It says Troponin I and also the lot number. So this is how the total box looks like. You can see this here. As I said, you can see there is a 25 cartridges, 1 ID chip, 1 IFU, 25 sample mixing tubes and 1 reduction buffer. So this is the reduction buffer actually. I can just show you around. I just kept it safely. You can see the reduction buffer. TNI reduction buffer, the lot number matches. And, you can see this here. You have to store between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, so I have to keep in the gel pack. Okay, quickly to summarize here, today we've seen the unboxing of ichroma Troponin I test kit. This is a 25 test kit pack. You can see this here, this is a 25 test kit pack, CIVD certified product. In a 25 test kit pack, you get 25 cartridges and 25 mixing tubes and 1 IFE brochure, 1 reduction buffer and then 1 ID chip. This is how the total test kits looks like. Thank you.